It is here, the Alpine Tesla audio upgrade. This kit that we have set out in front of us today is going to be the PSS 213, which is going to be specific to the Model 3 base audio system. If you are here, you either own a Tesla or you're an Alpine fan, and realistically, when we're done explaining the benefits and the features that you're getting for your money, ideally you'll be both. What we've got is this is going to be a sound system upgrade. This is complete. This is everything all in 2 boxes. When this comes in a very nondescript boxes, brown box. It's not a steal me sticker. It's not asking for a bunch of attention. And when it's all installed, it'd be the same effect. So what we've got is this is going to be 11 speaker audio upgrade for the Model 3. This is going to fit your 2018 to 21 base model. So what this is going to do is this is going to give you that upgraded premium sound, but without taking away any of the integrity of the vehicle or its efficiency. So Alpine is known for their vehicle specific kits and really honing into what vehicle owners in that market are after. So they've had great success with Jeep kits and several other vehicle specific restyles and things like that. So what they've done is they've really gone after the EV market and they've dedicated an entire team to this. So what you'll notice is this is all in Alpine's familiar blue and white packaging. You'll notice some of the speakers look familiar to some of their other speakers in their lineup, but this is dedicated and specific to the EV market. And on this one, it is going to be for that Model 3. So let's get into what's inside the box. First off, you'll notice we've got your front door speakers. You've got the 6.5 with the blue carbon fiber cone, your front door tweeters. Then for the rear, you're gonna have your 4-inch. For the dash, you're gonna have 3 4-inch speakers and a tweeter for the center channel. The real heart of the beast is gonna be this 12-channel DSP amplifier. This is actually tuned specific to the cabin of a Model 3. So what this is gonna do, this is gonna optimize the stereo system. This is gonna get it to where it's capable of playing high-res audio. So if it's a podcast, if it's your music, if it's anything that you enjoy while you're driving your Tesla, this is gonna get it optimized for you. We all know if you've listened to a Tesla, it is lacking the low end. That's where this comes into play. So this is gonna be a 10-inch subwoofer in a pre-loaded enclosure. This is specific to the Tesla. It bolts into factory bolting points that are inside the vehicle and does not take away any of the integrity of the vehicle itself. So going back to that efficiency, one of the keynotes that Alpine is very proud of, that they've spent a lot of time on optimizing the amplifier, is going to be the fact that you can listen to this at full volume for over an hour and you lose less than 1 mile of range. So that's very impressive. If you've had a chance to listen to it, which I have, I've been spoiled by that, it does sound very impressive. The Model 3 sounds great. It's very efficient. Everything about the vehicle is very efficient, but it just lacked that life that you're used to with the music whenever you want to enjoy it. So Alpine's brought that into the forefront with this, but also stayed true to the name of the efficiency of the vehicle and not taken away from that. So whenever you look at some of the speakers, you're going to notice that all of them have a factory style connector. So everything that goes into the vehicle can come out of the vehicle should you need to. It is all serviceable and it does not take away from the vehicle itself. So nothing is visible to the outside eye. So if you don't have tinted windows or anything like that, this is all nondescript. It is not out and visible. There's no steal me stickers, and it's also not rattling the windows going through the neighborhood. This is very clean, this is very efficient, but also it just adds to the vehicle without taking away from it. When it comes to installation, this is designed to be installed and tuned by your professional Alpine authorized dealer. Is it DIY? That's up to you. At that point, we highly suggest having it professionally installed. But whenever you get into the installation side of things, you'll notice that it's gonna have the vehicle specific connections. So everything is plug and play. But again, you know, this install done by an authorized Alpine dealer can be done in roughly about a day. So very cool thing about it is, you know, we just completed an install here, start to finish. When the customer came back and listened to it, he was blown away by the performance, but also was looking around the vehicle looking to see what had been done. And to the naked eye, you can't see anything that was actually altered in the vehicle. So very cool when it comes down to that part of it. Speaking of the upgrade, when you start to look at the factory speakers, you can notice immediately the huge difference in just the sheer size of the speaker. So what Alpine has done with their EV model speakers is you'll notice that it has the wider basket, and also it has the larger motor structure itself. So this is going to allow to pick up those tones and frequencies that's lacking otherwise. This is a good speaker. This is efficient, but that's not what we're after as far as sound quality is concerned. So this is a neodymium magnet that's going to reduce weight, but allow to add the high performance that we're looking for. And then it's going to have that signature blue carbon fiber cone. So Not only is it good looking, but it sounds great. It goes right back into that factory style mount. You'll notice that it is the exact same mounting, and then the connection is gonna be the same. So can you put your car back to stock after you've installed this? Yes. Would you want to? If you've listened to it, I don't think you would. So this is all designed to be plug and play. They've got, this is gonna be the setup for your Model 3 base. They have one for the premium. They have a base Y model, and then they have a premium for the Y model as well. So excited to see what Alpine continues to do with the EV market. But if you've listened to one of these, you'd understand why this is a nice upgrade. So that is everything for the Alpine PSS kit for the Model 3 Tesla. This has been Creative Audio, out of the box.